Welcome to our video where we'll explore the extraordinary health benefits of cinnamon tea. Cinnamon, a beloved spice renowned for its warm and comforting aroma, has long been cherished for its medicinal properties. When brewed into a delightful tea, cinnamon offers a wealth of health-promoting benefits that can enhance your well-being. Join us as we uncover the top benefits of cinnamon tea, backed by scientific research and traditional wisdom. From supporting heart health to boosting brain function, cinnamon tea may just become your new favorite beverage for overall wellness. Let's dive in. Cinnamon tea holds a rich historical significance that spans centuries and civilizations. Dating back to ancient times, cinnamon was highly prized for its exotic aroma, flavor, and medicinal properties. Originating in Sri Lanka, cinnamon was considered a luxury spice in ancient Egypt, where it was used in embalming rituals and as a symbol of wealth and prestige. It was also traded along the Silk Road, spreading its fame to the Middle East and Europe. In medieval Europe, cinnamon was valued not only for its flavor but also for its purported medicinal virtues, believed to cure various ailments and preserve health. Today, cinnamon tea continues to be cherished for its historical legacy and its role in cultural practices and traditional medicine worldwide. Cinnamon, a beloved spice known for its warm and comforting aroma, has been treasured for centuries for its culinary and medicinal properties. Derived from the inner bark of trees belonging to the Cinnamomum genus, cinnamon is not only a flavorful addition to various dishes but also a potent ingredient in herbal teas. Among its many forms, cinnamon tea stands out for its remarkable health benefits, ranging from improved heart health to enhanced blood sugar control. In this video, we'll delve into the top 15 benefits of cinnamon tea, supported by scientific research and traditional wisdom, to uncover why this aromatic brew has been revered throughout history. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon is packed with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By combating oxidative stress, cinnamon tea may protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Supports heart health. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may promote heart health by lowering levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol. These effects can help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and stroke. Number 3. Improves blood sugar control. Cinnamon tea has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. Its compounds mimic the action of insulin and help regulate glucose metabolism, potentially reducing the need for insulin therapy in diabetic patients. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate inflammation and associated symptoms like pain and swelling. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may benefit individuals with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and asthma. Number 5. Supports digestive health. Cinnamon tea possesses carminative properties that can aid digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. It may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, gas, and nausea, promoting overall digestive wellness. Number 6. Boosts immune function. The antimicrobial properties of cinnamon tea make it effective in combating bacterial and fungal infections. Its immune-boosting properties may help strengthen the body's defenses against common illnesses like colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Number 7. Enhances brain function. Research suggests that cinnamon may have neuroprotective effects and could help improve cognitive function and memory. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may support brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 8. Promotes weight loss. Cinnamon tea may aid in weight management by boosting metabolism, increasing satiety, and regulating blood sugar levels. Its thermogenic properties can help the body burn more calories, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet and exercise routine. Number 9. Relieves menstrual cramps. For women experiencing menstrual discomfort, cinnamon tea may offer relief from painful cramps and bloating. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the uterine muscles, reducing menstrual pain and discomfort. Number 10. Improves oral health. Cinnamon tea's antimicrobial properties can help combat oral bacteria and prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may promote oral hygiene and freshen breath. Number 11. Alleviates respiratory issues. Cinnamon tea's warming and expectorant properties make it effective in relieving respiratory symptoms like cough, congestion, and sore throat. Its soothing effects can help clear the airways and promote respiratory comfort. Number 12. Regulates blood pressure. Studies suggest that cinnamon tea may help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of hypertension. Number 13. Supports skin health. Cinnamon tea's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may benefit skin health by reducing acne, inflammation, and signs of aging. Topical application of cooled cinnamon tea may soothe irritated skin and promote a clear, radiant complexion. Number 14. Boosts mood and well-being. The aroma of cinnamon tea is known to have mood-enhancing effects, promoting relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety. Enjoying a cup of warm cinnamon tea can uplift the spirits and promote a sense of well-being. Number 15. Enhances nutrient absorption. Cinnamon tea may improve the absorption of nutrients like vitamins and minerals, ensuring optimal nutrient uptake and utilization by the body. Its digestive benefits can enhance nutrient absorption and support overall health and vitality. From its antioxidant-rich profile to its diverse array of health-promoting properties, cinnamon tea emerges as a versatile and beneficial beverage for overall wellness. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, plain or infused with other herbs and spices, cinnamon tea offers a delightful way to reap its numerous health benefits. Incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine may provide a flavorful and therapeutic addition to support your health and vitality. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video.